Iranians truly love chai. I mean, they worship it. Even temperature become about 50 Celsius, they still drink chai and enjoy it. Seriously, I'm not kidding. Yeah, it's hard to believe. And imagine you love to drink tea and you're too lazy to do it. You may think about tea bags, but what if you're too lazy to make tea with tea bags? Yes, that's the problem. And that is my problem too. Yes, you guessed right. I'm gonna make a robot which can make tea bags. I mean, make tea with tea bags for me. Yeah. I truly love this idea as a super lazy person. We need some trashes like plastic or something that is solid enough to make an arm, you know? And yeah, I need them for making an arm. And some electronic stuffs. There are too many, but you don't need this much. And also a little coding talent. So I'm gonna start this laziness project, and I really hope that I'll be happy at the end. Okay, I just realized that it's hard to use plastics because I cannot cut them. So I decided to use these lolly sticks instead of plastics because I am lazy. I told you before. Let's do some easier ways instead of hard ways when you see the result is the same, you know? Honestly, I'm more than happy. I'm very happy. It worked. And now I will show you how does it work. It's not totally done, but I will design it tomorrow. Just look. Shut up. You. نه چیزی نمیشه اینا. Just look. You put the tea bag here and the glass or the cup you will put it here, and after that you can have a like this, have a tea. It's amazing, isn't it? I feel good. I feel great. I think it has a problem, which is I mean, it's too short and it's better to be taller, and I'm gonna fix it, and after that I will design it, you know. Now I can use them. So now this height is great. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final work, which is a design tea maker. It's mad, I know, but I like that. So I'm gonna bring hot water and test it. So I brought a tea bag. I'll connect it here. Can you see? So you have to take the tea bag here, like this. And you have to press the joystick here and do this. Let's try again. This is the second trial. چرا اینجوری میشه؟ یه بار دیگه آروم. Here. So I'll try again and again and again to make this happen, okay? So again, just take this tea bag, so put it here, Please be a nice person. It's not. That's fine. That's fine. I'll fix it. I won't give up. Okay, I just found that. What should I do? If you push it very slow like this, it's good. Look at this. It will be a nice tea. Nice. Look. Wow. Wow. Oh, where is it? Oh, shit. Honestly, I won't drink this, but at least I know that what should I do when I want to use this, you know? Technically, it's working. I like it. Ooh, it was hard. I'm kidding. It was not hard, but it was fun. You know, it was very fun. I really like the process. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. It worked, you know. Look at this. It worked. It's working. Isn't it? It's working. If you have any opinion, you can comment it down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put the notification bell on. Thank you. Take care, my dears, and love yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and bye. Oh my gosh, look at here. Here is a mess. Look at behind the scene. It's awful.